this is Advocate Radhika Sharma, legal advisor at Lexis and Company. Welcome to our channel LexClick. So today we will discuss the topic of arbitration agreement. So what is arbitration agreement? It means एक agreement by the parties to submit to arbitration all or certain dispute which have arisen or which may arisen between them in respect of a defined legal relationship, whether contractual हो और या फिर नहीं. An arbitration agreement may be in the form of an arbitration clause in a contract or in the form of a separate agreement. An arbitration agreement shall be in writing. It's a like mandatory thing कि वो writing में होना चाहिए. An arbitration agreement is in writing if it is contained in a document signed by the parties. An exchange of letters, telex, telegrams or other means of telecommunication which provide a record of the agreement, or an exchange of statement of claim and defense in which the existence of the agreement is alleged by one party and not denied by the other. Now the reference है in a contract or document containing an arbitration clause constitutes an arbitration agreement if the contract is in writing and the reference is such as to make that arbitration clause part of that contract. So thank you guys, thank you for watching us. प्लीज़ आपको कोई भी इफ़ लाइक यू नीड और यू लाइक नीड एनी असिस्टेंस रिगार्डिंग एनी लीगल क्वेरी और लीगल टॉपिक, प्लीज़ कमेंट करके हमें ज़रूर बताइए. और थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग अस. बाय.